Hi and welcome to the Beae tutorial series. In this video, I will tell you all that you guys need to know about the gallery feature in the Beae website builder. So when you guys have the Beae website builder opened up, on the left side you guys have all of your elements. Now to use the gallery feature, simply drag and drop this particular gallery option over here on your web page. After that, on the right side you guys are going to see all of these options come up. You guys can add in different images on all of these placeholders. You guys can have one image over here, another over here, another over here, and then another one over here. The process is as simple as this. Simply click on this pen icon next to the placeholder that you guys want to edit. After that, from over here, simply click on link, and then from over here simply choose the media file that you guys want to attach, and then below that you guys have the option to change the layout to basically masonry or grid, and then below that you can also change up the image size as well if you guys want to, and then of course below that you guys have the option to actually increase images per column or to decrease images per column. Then you have the option for spacing over here too if you guys want to increase the space between these images, and then below that you guys have the option to have an overlay on top of these images as well. Then up top you also have the option for style as well. In the style option you guys can change up the width of these images. You can also check the max width as well if you guys want to, and then below that you also have the option for the height as well. You guys can do whatever you want from these features depending upon how you want your images to look like. So that is how you guys can actually use the gallery feature on the Beae website builder. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Take care. Till next time, goodbye.